Greetings, friends. How's everybody? I have made few topics which can be beneficial to those people who want to conduct seminars related to advocacy in law colleges and other places. The topics will be beneficial for the law students, advocates, and other people in the judiciary. The The first one is about advocacy from historic times to present scenario of artificial intelligence. And the second topic, the cycles in advocate's profession, in which you can cover the life cycle of an advocate, the case cycle, office space cycle, senior and the team's cycle, and the day. How does the day cycle go on in the life of a advocate? Third topic: physical office and stationery. You may begin with the basic things like two chairs and a table, a printer, few white papers, a wakalatnama. Then you can have some optional goods like something to make a hole in the paper bundle, tie it with a knot with a thread. You may have luxurious item list like paper shredder, automatic two-side printer, etc. Then seminar 4, uh, mental and virtual office and items needed in the advocate space. Like mentally, you are supposed to be a bit neutral and you are just supposed to represent the client's data in front of the judge. Nothing less, nothing more. And your job starts with a paper, the document of Wakalatnama, and then hopefully it ends with a favorable order obtained from the court and when you give it to the client. Then in the virtual office, you may have various apps and softwares which could be in your phone, computer, or laptop, which are very helpful to an advocate. Like you have the Google Lens, then Microsoft Word document, and PDF scanner, Adobe PDF scanner, PDF reader, and open camera to get photographs with date and time, which are more useful for the clients. But if you have it in your phone, you can send it to them saying that you download this and take the photograph. Then you could also have ChatGPT and Bard, various AI tools, and online search softwares, and also offline search softwares. There are various brands. Some are available on CDs, and now some are available to download on the websites, and some allow you to search on their own website. There are various ones which cover rules in India, abroad, and other places. Then the next topic is how to study LLB. In this, you can cover the books, syllabus, authors' names, and how many hours to study, how many days before the exam you will start exam preparation, and would you like to refer old question papers, etc. And then the next topic is how to enroll in the bar council. A lot of people get confused because it's like a thing you have to be enrolled in the bar to write the bar exam, and after writing the bar exam again you become a permanent bar member, so it feels a bit confusing. So a video can be made on that, how to enroll in the bar. How to study for LLM could be a topic. Then whether to study LLM in India or abroad, you can expand the topic to include LLB as well. Whether to study LLB in India or abroad, what are the options? UK, US, Singapore, and other places. What are the pros and cons? ROI? Is it suitable for everybody? Then a topic which can be used is common problems and diseases of advocates. What are the common issues with the advocates face in their daily life? And what are the health conditions which they are more likely to suffer? A topic can be done on that, ending with prevention and treatment, and you can add a physician doctor also in the panel to give advice what are the common diseases, because usually it is a sedentary thing. Until your number is called in front of the judge, you are just supposed to sit in the court hall. Then common problems being faced by clients and their solutions could be a topic. And then one important topic is, usually law students have in their mind whether I should become a criminal advocate or a civil advocate or a high court practice advocate. What is the difference between them? Is the LLB different, or LLB is the same for criminal side advocate and civil advocate? Then the next topic could be litigation or working in a company as an advocate. What are the advantages of practicing law in litigation in the courts, arguing for the clients? And what are the advantages and disadvantages of doing a job in a company which is not involved in litigation? Then another topic can be taken as a job or own, whether it's more suitable for you as an advocate to do job in a law firm or with a litigation advocate, or whether it's good for you to do the thing on your own, which is more suitable for you. What are the pros and cons of each of them? Then there are few concepts on which you can make the seminar. Like you can take this as an entire topic, that what are the various concepts which, if understood, are beneficial for the law students, advocates, and maybe judges as well. Then you can take various topics on that. You can begin with these things like balance of trade, uh, and how the balance of trade is maintained in the nature. You can begin with the butterfly and the field example. You can come to the international trade examples, then come into give and take, balance of trade, and then bring it to advocacy and judiciary and law field. Then an important concept is Smullian's island problem. Smullian's island problem, the simplification of it is, that's an island which is isolated from the world, and it has two types of people. One who are truthful, let's call them A. One who are not truthful, let's call them B. And then you can ask only a question to them, asking whether you are truthful or not, and they can reply only by saying yes or no. So then you can make the permutations and combinations and come to know who is truthful and who is not. uh, Jurisprudence, it can be taken as a good topic. Then the ancient laws of Ur-Nammu and Hammurabi Code. These are the oldest existing records of law which are man-made. So these can be studied. And then other two topics are, you can take narcissistic personality disorder, NPD. Narcissistic personality disorder, and what are the issues in that, what are the solutions in that. And if you face people who are narcissistic, statistically speaking 5% to 1% of the general population has narcissistic disorder to one degree or another. So sometimes the client could be suffering from the narcissistic disorder. Sometimes your client's opponent may be having that. So various people at various positions may have that. And then keeping that in mind, how do you make a strategy so that if your client is on the truthful path, then how do you guide him with a tailor-made approach, keeping the narcissism involved in one of the parties. And then one interesting book which I found recently is the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. So how to take those concepts and bring it into the field of advocacy. This could also be an interesting topic. So I just wanted to share my knowledge. I didn't want to keep it secret. Nobody knows when the eventual death of anybody is there. Anybody can die anytime. So because of the first and second corona, people are more careful of their health. So I thought that it's better to share the ideas, and also I advise people, you share your ideas. Nobody knows when what will happen to whom. So it's good to share the concepts and ideas with each other. So these are the topics for which I encourage other advocates to do seminars on them, and also you can write books on them. I have not copyrighted these topics. You can take any one of those topics and also improve on it, write a book, contact the various law publishing firms. There's something known as MIQ, Manuscript Information Questionnaire. So you get the MIQ, you fill it, and you send it to the publisher. If the publisher likes it, then they can publish. Now you have Amazon and Kindle also who do online publishing. You can take your own ISBN number, International Standard Book Number, online, and if you are in Delhi, you can go to Daryaganj for the printing press. If you are in Hyderabad, you can go to Chatta Bazaar, who has a few hundreds of shops of who do printing. You can take the quotation for printing of the books, and you yourself can also publish and print them. Okay, stay healthy, stay safe, and spread information.